We now invite Honorable Vice Chancellor Emeritus Professor Dr. Harcharan Singh Sidhu to cite the achievements of the University Gold Medal recipient.
Citation for Gold Medal candidate, nominee Sri Lahari. It is said, if you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. This quote by Zig Ziglar exemplifies very fittingly nominee from the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology, graduating cohort 2018 student. Her journey towards her cherished ambition to become a research development engineer was fueled by her first industrial visit to Penang. She enrolled in the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology for the Diploma in Electrical and Electronic Engineering program. She received the Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology Best Student Award in the Diploma program, as well as being in the Dean's List in all the semesters from 2012 to 2015. Having completed a diploma with flying colors, she then enrolled in the degree program, Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Electronic Engineering, where she was again in the Dean's List for all semesters from 2015 to 2018. Besides her academic achievement, she was active in 11 clubs and associations ranging from AIMS Technopreneurs and Invention Clubs to AIMS Futsal football clubs. She was involved in 12 research projects ranging from LED lighting to designing a microstrip low process filter by using Advanced Design System or ADS. She was awarded the second runners-up for the best poster presentation at the third regional conference in biotechnology at AIMS University. She has been extremely active in attending workshops, conferences in AIMS clubs and associations, engaging in cultural activities such as Indian classical dance, Bollywood-style dance, and singing. After having undergone training on the 7 habits of elective college students, she went on to present sketches on 7 habits for the benefit of other AIMS students. She is a volunteer for blood donation drives through the Red Crescent Society. She won the Best Female Player Award in futsal competition during an internship organized by Contron Asia Sundram Design Sundram Berhad. She won the first place in badminton in Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology Sports Day. The Falling Wall Labs in Berlin, Germany is an international forum which aims at building and promoting interdisciplinary connections among excellent academic entrepreneurs and professionals from all fields. There were 100 contestants from 68 countries all over the world. Nominee was confident and brave enough to participate in the competition. Her project, Breaking the Wall of Mosquito-Borne Diseases, won 3rd place among 100 contestants. In short, she can dance, sing, she can lead, donate blood, play sports, and top of that, she excels in her studies. As a result of all her accomplishments, it is little wonder that the government of Singapore awarded her a scholarship to pursue her PhD in biomedical sensing through nanopause. At the National University of Singapore, NUS. She is held in very high regard amongst both fellow students and staff. She is very personable and gets on well with people from all walks of life. She took on a leadership role within the student body and has displayed her excellent interpersonal skills and ability to work with people to lead and to encourage those around her. She is an outstanding candidate for the University Gold Medal and a deserving winner. She has been an outstanding student at this university for the past 3 years, from her academic ability and achievements to her sporting engagements. Her external charity work. She is not only an impressive student, she is generous and eager to provide service to others. The service to other approach adopted by her in every aspect of her life is admirable and worthy of praise. Today, we congratulate her and heartily wish her every success in her future endeavors. Mr. Chancellor, sir, the Senate of Ames University recommends nominee Sri Lahari as a worthy candidate for the University Gold Medal for 2018.
We now invite our Honorable Chancellor and the Vice Chancellor to do the honors. Ladies and gentlemen, nominee Sri Lahari, Faculty of Engineering and Computer Technology. Bachelor of Engineering Honours in Electrical and Electronic Engineering. The outstanding award is presented to the first student, followed by the rest. Nominee Sri Lahari.
Brian